Hey guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are at Dollar General. It is Saturday and I am about to get into a really quick 5 off of 25 deal. I already have my cart loaded over there, but I want to show you guys now what I am about to do. And this is going to be a really quick transaction. I should be in and out of here. I'm just going to do this same transaction 2 times because it is good enough to repeat twice. So we're going to start off right now with these big pens. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab 6 packs of big pens. So the extra life pens are on sale for $1 a piece. And then I'm also going to get 1 pack of these big extra bold pens. These are $1.65. So I have a $2 off of 2 manufacturer coupon on these that makes them absolutely free. And we have a 2 off of 5 store coupon. So in my transactions, I'm going to grab a total of 6 packs. We have some great paper product digital coupons today. So this is a great week to do the spin 15 and save $3 instantly on Scott, Cottonelle, Viva, etc. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab 2 packs of Scott. These are $5 a piece. We have a $1 digital. I'm going to use a 75-cent off printable coupon from the Scott website. And then I'm going to grab 1 pack of the Cottonelle. These are $5 as well. I'm going to use a $1 digital coupon. The next thing I'm grabbing is 2 of these Dove soaps. So these are $3.50 a piece. I'm going to be using a 3 off of 2 printable coupon on these. And we have a 2 off of 7 store coupon. If you don't have the 3 off of 2 printable coupon, if you're signed up for the Dove email list, they gave us a brand new $2 off of 2 available this morning as well. All right, you guys, so this is my complete deal. So this totals up to $28 worth of products. So for the Scott, we're going to save $3 instantly for spending $15, and that is going to bring our total down to $25 so that we qualify to use our 5 off of 25 deal. So it's really important when you do the Scott Instant Savings that your pre-coupon total is $28 because you still want to have 25 after that instant savings comes off. So for the Scott, we're going to use a $1 digital. We're going to use a 75-cent printable. For the Cottonelle, we're going to use the $1 digital as well. For the Dove, we have our $3 off of 2 printable coupon, and we have the 2 off of 7 digital coupon. And then for the big pens, we're going to use 2 of the $2 off of 2 paper coupons and the 2 off of 5 digital coupon. Now, even though I'm buying 6 packs of the pens, I'm still only going to use 2 of the $2 off of 2 coupons because our 2 off of $5 General coupon is going to pay for the last 2 packs. Because Dollar General system will not give us overage with the store coupon, it would just reduce down anyway. I might as well save my additional $2 off of 2 paper coupon and just use 2 of them. So we're just going to use 2 in this deal. After all of those coupon savings, my total should be $6.25 for all of these items. Yes, y'all, just $6.25. And we're going to repeat this twice. So let's go up to the register and see how everything works. So I'm happy that I scanned all of my products before I was going up to the register just to make sure that I had all of my digitals loaded because I just discovered that the mango scented Dove is not attaching to the $2 store coupon. So I'm going to swap those out for the regular scented Dove. I know a lot of my people do not use paper coupons, so here's an all digital breakdown if you want to grab some paper products this week, but you don't have any paper coupons. You can grab 3 of the paper products just like I am. You can get a Poise Pads for $5, a Crest toothpaste for $2, the Centrum vitamins. Scan those to make sure they're attaching to your $4 digital coupon. The Puffs Plus lotion for $1.60. That'll total you up to $28.60. You're going to save $3 instantly for the Scott Instant Savings, and then you should have $16.75 in coupons. That's going to bring your total to just $8.85 for all of these products, all digital. After she pressed total for my transaction, it came up to $25 even. I handed her my paper coupons before I entered my phone number. After I entered my phone number, my subtotal came up to $4.25 instead of $6.25. All right, you guys, so I stand corrected. I thought that $2 big coupon was not going to apply because it would give us overage, but I accidentally gave her an extra $2 coupon in that first transaction, and my subtotal came out to $4.25. Now, everything went perfectly with the exception of the Dove. So the Dove, that $3 off of 2 printable coupon did beep. So please keep that in mind that did beep. So you may want to swap out the Dove and get the Vaseline lotion instead and use those $2 paper coupons from the inserts on the Vaseline. Here's an alternate breakdown if you want to grab the Vaseline instead of the Dove. Your total should actually be $1 cheaper than mine. So you can grab 2 of the Vaseline lotions. They're $3.50 each as well. So your total will be the exact same, $28. But then after you use 2 of the $2 Vaseline coupons from the 1-3 Retail Me Not, you'll end up paying $3.25 if your big coupon applies or $5.25 if it doesn't. Let me show you a close-up of my receipt for this transaction. So there is the Dove. She did manually input that $3 coupon. And then there is our paper products. And then there is all of the big pens. Subtotal came out to $4.25. We had a total savings of $23.75 on those 11 items. So I hope these deals were helpful to you all. I thank you all so much for watching. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button. Happy Saturday. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.